The invisible revolution. How a beam of light changed everything. Welcome, everyone. Look closely. That tiny flicker. What if this unassuming speck of light, born from a quiet lab, would ignite a revolution so profound it reshaped our modern world? The year was 1960. We thought we understood light, but physicist Theodore Maiman dared to imagine something unnatural. He wasn't trying to light a room, he was trying to control light, to bend it, to amplify it. Then, it happened, a flash. A single, pure, concentrated beam. Maiman had built the first laser, light marching in perfect lockstep, coherent, concentrated, precisely tuned. It was light, amplified, and pushed into perfect order. But as that first ruby beam lanced across his lab, even Maiman couldn't fathom the storm of innovation he'd unleashed. The question echoed, cool, but what is it for? A powerful beam, intriguing, but seemingly purposeless, a solution searching for a problem. Little did they know, the answer wasn't just coming, it was exploding outwards. Suddenly, this solution without a problem was everywhere. It crawled inside your old movie collection, reading DVDs. It became the unseen eye that scanned your groceries. It guided missiles. It transformed communication, carrying billions of gigabytes through hair-thin fiber optic cables. It became a surgeon's delicate scalpel, a manufacturer's mightiest cutter, a tool for mapping distant planets. Lasers didn't just become useful, they became essential. Could you imagine modern internet speeds without laser-based fiber optics? Eye surgery restoring vision, even your smartphone's Face ID. That's tiny laser sensors at work. What began as a lab curiosity, a blinking light, is now something you interact with every single day, woven so deeply into your life, you rarely even notice it. It's in our homes, our hospitals, our skies, and yes, even in our pockets. And here's the most captivating part. The laser story is still being written, right now. Researchers are pushing boundaries, working on lasers powerful enough to replicate star-level heat for clean energy, to vaporize space debris, even to treat cancer with light, rendering scalpels obsolete. We've gone from a curious flicker in a lab to changing lives globally, fundamentally altering our perception of what's possible. So the next time you see a tiny red dot, or stream a video, or watch a spectacular laser show, remember, it all started with one beam, one breakthrough, one brilliant mind, a testament to the echoes of discovery. And that's just one story among many that shape our world. Thanks for watching Echoes of Discovery, where old ideas echo into our future. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let the past guide your next big idea. What topic should we explore next? I'd love to hear your ideas. Until next time, stay curious and keep looking for the light in the unexpected. Signing off. See you in the next story.